name's Troy Hawes, and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today we're going to go back to the mid-'80s and review a great song called Lonely Old Night. It was written and performed by the legendary John Mellencamp. Lonely Old Night peaked at number 6 on the Billboard Hot 100 in 1985. Now, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. Now, what we're going to do first is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know for this great song. Then we're going to perform an acoustic lounge version of Lonely Old Night. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great song by John Mellencamp, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, in order to get all the way through Lonely Old Night, you're going to need to know 5 easy chords. Let's have a look at them now. The first one is an E major. You're going to need to know an A chord. There's a D. Now, these last 2 chords are variations of the A chord and the D. The first variation is called an A sus2 or A suspend 2. Now the difference here between the sus2 and the A is you simply lift off your small finger here, your pinky finger, and strum the chord. This becomes an A sus2. And it's the same thing with the D chord. It's called a D sus2. Difference here, you're going to remove your middle finger. That's it. Now you might think to yourself, well, why the variations? I promise you it makes a difference if you strum the chords outright and correctly. And you can hear it when you perform the song. With that, let's get to the cover.
Call me up and says, baby, it's a lonely old night. I don't know, I'm just so scared and lonely all at the same time. No one told us it would work out this way. No, 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 no. Yes, they knew we'd work it out in our own way. It's a lonely old night. Can I put my arms around you? It's a lonely old night, custom made for 2 lonely people like me and you. Radio's playing softly, some singing a sad, sad song, singing about standing in the shadows of love. I guess feels awfully long. She says I know exactly what he means. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's a sad, sad, sad feeling when you're living on those in-betweens, but it's okay. It's a lonely old night. Can I put my arms around you? It's a lonely old night, custom made for 2 lonely people like me and you. She called me baby, she calls everybody baby. It's a lonely old night.
Okay, the opening chord sequence, or riff, whatever you want to call it, basically encompasses the E major chord and the A sus2, and it goes something like this. Okay, what am I doing there? Well, we're basically going to start on the E major chord, and we're going to do 3 quick down strums of the E major chord, and then a 4th one that we're going to jump to the A sus2. Sounds something like this. It's really that simple. Now, we're also going to individually pick string 1, 2, and 3 after the down strum of the A sus2. Again, here we go. One more time. It's really that simple. Let's jump in and have a closer look now at the verses. Okay, starting on the E major chord, the verses go something like this. She called me up and says, baby, it's a lonely old night. I don't know, I'm just so scared and lonely all at the same time. It would work out this way. No, 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 no. Guess they knew we'd work it out in our own way. And then jump into the chorus. Now, a couple of quick notes here. You'll notice that for half of the verse, I'm actually just doing 1 strum of the chord. Calls me up and says, baby, it's a lonely old night. Now, if you would prefer, you can simply strum the chords continuously if you'd like. Calls me up and says, baby, it's a lonely old night. If you prefer to do it that way, it's a little easier to keep time if you continually strum the chords. If you listen to John Mellencamp's version, I believe he's doing something very, very similar. He's just doing 1 strum at a time. Very, very easy. All right, let's quickly have a look now at the chorus. All right, the chorus starts on the D major chord and goes something like this. It's a lonely old night. Can't put my arms around you. It's a lonely old night. Custom made for 2 lonely people like me and you. All right, that's it. Now, let's have one final look at what could be considered again the bridge and how the final verse all comes together. Okay, the bridge and, if you will, last verse of the song played slightly different than the rest of them. Let me show you what I do in the acoustic lounge version. Starting on the E major chord, very similar to the opening sequence or the opening chord progressions. This bridge is played just about the same way. Starting on the E major, here we go. She called me baby, she calls everybody baby. It's a lonely old night, but ain't they all? And then you jump into one last chorus. All right, so basically what I'm doing here is it's 4 quick down strums of the E and 1 quick up strum of the A sus2. I'll try to slow it down. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll take a little practice, of course, like anything else, but I know that you'll be able to get it down. With that, there you have Lonely Old Night by John Mellencamp. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. Again, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.